Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the clock spring and a Toyota Sienna with a 3.3 liter engine. So let's go ahead and do it. And first thing we do is we disconnect the battery cable, the negative. We're gonna wait at least 30 minutes or 40 minutes or an hour to start working on the system right there. And we have a T30 right there. We're gonna go ahead and take it out, and another one on the other side. And then we come here on this side. We're gonna take out the other cover here. And that's the other bolt right there. We're gonna take off the connectors here. Those are the two small bolts that hold the airbag right there. One on each side. That's the other one right there. Next, a Phillips here, another Phillips here, another Phillips for the cruise control. This one here, and this one here, and disconnect the cruise control here. Now remove this electrical connector here, the black one that comes to these buttons here. Press on the tab right there and pull it out. Next, 19mm nut here. Next, I'm gonna make a mark here. I'm gonna use this kit here from Harbor Freight Tools. I'm gonna use these two holes here. The electrical connectors right now. Press on the tab here and pull it out at the same time like this. Now this one is a little bit tricky here. Bring it to the front. Just like that. And it's out. This one here. Pull it out. And then we have like a clip here on top. That clip, just pull it up and it should pop out. And if we come to the side here, it has that clip right there. Just pull it down, and there is another one on the other side. Alright, the clock spring is in this position like this, and this is the clip here, the metal clip right there. And if we come here on the side, that is the clip right there. It looks like a hook, this one here. And if we go to the other side, we're gonna see the other one here, right here. When you feel that it clicks inside from the three clips, the two on the side and the one on top, it's good right there already. And I'm gonna tighten this nut at 37 foot-pounds. We come down here and we're gonna bolt it right there. That's the T30 right there, and another one on the other side. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.